This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will learn how to apply column formatting in document of Microsoft Word. So actually column formatting means to divide the text of your document in specified number of columns. You can do this also in Microsoft Word. To apply column formatting, we will follow the given steps. First of all, we will select the range or paragraphs we want to format in columns. In this document, we will select these two paragraphs, and then we will click the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. We will click the Columns from Page Setup group. Now you can see a list of options appears. Now we will select the number of columns we want to apply in our document. For example, here we have chosen 2. So the selected text gets divided into the specified number of columns. So this way, viewers, we can select columns and can apply them to our document. And if we want to divide our document into 3 columns, then you can select the option 3 from here, and you can see now we can see 3 different columns in our document. If you want to go to the left align option, then you can see that the document is left aligned, and when you click the right align option, then you can see that the document is right aligned. Likewise, if you want to go to the more columns options, from here you can see that we can have a line between option over here, and when we click on this checkbox and click the OK button, then you can see, viewers, that we can have a line between all these 3 columns. And if you can see that we can have equal column width right over here, and if I unselect this option, then you can see that it can be applied to your document this way. So that's all, and thanks for watching.